YouTube? This your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, sweetie squad, what is up, my lovies? Happy Saturday. Is it Saturday or is it Sunday? Oh, it's Sunday. I've been in Louisiana for 3 amazing days. I'm so not ready to leave. I'm with my great friend, Miss Busy Beauty, Stephanie, my #1 eBay lot lister. I'm actually in her beauty stock room as we speak. I'll be doing a tour for you guys because a lot of my viewers was like, oh my God, please show us the woman behind the curtain and behind the makeup and stuff. Well, guys, if she would love to, I will put her on film, but if she doesn't, that's out of respect for her. But what I will try to do, because I want some myself, is we're going to play with Snapchat later and take pictures together. So I will try to include a picture into this video if I can, if she lets me. But yeah, guys, before we jump into this video, if you're new to my YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit that subscription button below, give it a click right here, ring a ding ding that bell, turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I'm doing giveaways, baby, back to back all of 2019. Let's go. And also, if you like me, let me give this video a big thumbs up. Also, by giving the video a thumbs up, it allows me to know what kind of videos you guys want. If you have a specific video you want to see, maybe taste tests or challenges, put it in the comments below and I will get that out for you guys. All right, so right now I have for you guys Earfleek. My Earfleek from May was a wah. It was my first time signing back up with them in almost a year. I said everybody deserves a second chance. Well, Earfleek, this is your last chance. So this is for the month of June. I had a lot going on. It was my birthday month, so I was not able to get that out for you guys, but I have it for you guys right here. We're only 6 days into June, so it shouldn't be that big of a deal. Or we're 7 days. We're 7 days into June. Yeah, God, being in Louisiana, it makes you forget everything. You just are so stress-free. You don't even know what the freaking day is. That's how carefree you are. So I also lost 5 pounds before I left, but your girl might have gained it back with all these delicious Louisiana food she's shoving down my throat. Oh my God, their shrimp Alfredo is to die for with their crab cakes. Oh, just saying. All right. So if you guys do not know what Earfleek is, it is a monthly subscription service for $3.49, and you get 1 pair of earrings. You can also do the one for, I think, $9.98, and it is 3 pairs of earrings. I just have this 1 pair. I think it's cute, you know, if you're trying to add or build a new collection for earrings. Some earrings have been a bust and some earrings have been good, so I'm hoping, I am praying, I'm crossing fingers that this month is good, because last month was terrible. I'm trying to think of what last month was. Oh, last month was those ugly ass freaking small bows. That's what they were, them ugly ass small gold bows. So let's see, Earfleek. So they come in this envelope like this. I'm going to cover up my address, of course, and then have the Earfleek shipping address and everything. And it's like this comic book kind of envelope is what I really look at it as, like comic book. So, and then you get this white card right here, and inside is your earrings. Here goes nothing. Are they spoons? Before we get into those, this is, did you know, swipe through our inventory and get what you love. Bullshit. Because I didn't pick those rinky-dink bows, and if these are spoons, I damn sure didn't pick no spoons to be hanging from my ears. Okay? And yeah, we're just gonna, I don't know if we've ever had a happy Earfleek video. I don't know. Okay. What are those? They're fucking spoons. They're fucking spoons. And sorry, because I know you're watching me. They're freaking spoons. What is wrong with you, Earfleek? Who the hell wants spoons dangling from their freaking ears? Are you kidding me right now? Like, do I look like a chef? Do I look like a cook? Do I look like a damn baker? I am a makeup artist, damn it. Oh my God, what the freak? They're fucking spoons. Okay, so let's try these spoons on, shall we? And then we can throw them in the damn trash. That's what we can do, because this is a joke. And I know I didn't pick no damn spoons to put into my damn ears. So, yeah. You know, honestly, the stud part is cute. It has a cute little diamond on it. But then you throw a damn spoon. Why would I want a spoon dangling from my damn ears? Why? Just give me one question. Why? Oh, and these came with backs. Normally they don't come with backs. But again, they're spoons, so you're not excused by far. Again, the stud part is really cute, and I'm going to get a close-up for you guys as soon as I can put this on, because I gave you the old school backs that I haven't used since I was like 4 that have those funky things. That's it right there. See the stud? The stud is cute. That's cute right there. But when I move my hand, I got a damn spoon diggling from my ear. A spoon. A damn spoon. Who would wear these? Who? A baker. A cook. A chef. But not a YouTuber. Like a camera maybe, or like a makeup brush, but a damn spoon. I can't get over that. This is a spoon, right? Like, I'm going to ask Miss Stephanie if that's a spoon. I'm pretty sure it's a spoon.
Yeah, and not only a spoon, it looks like a measuring spoon.
It's a measuring spoon. That's awesome. So, I know I didn't choose that for my inventory, and y'all sent me a damn spoon.
Here, those are ugly.
Uh-huh. So, we went from May with some rinky-dink little wired bows to now spoons. Well, I guess next month you'll have me hanging pizza crust from my damn ears or tacos. Earfleek, you just never cease to amaze me. I'm only probably giving you until fall, Earfleek. After August, I'm done with you guys. I don't care if it's $3.49. It's $3.49 that I ain't got to throw away. Okay? That's what I'm going to tell y'all. So step up your game. Step up your inventory. I did that stupid questionnaire that lasted me 10 minutes of my life of what I like and what I don't like. And I know I damn sure didn't pick no damn spoons. Okay? So comment down below, guys, my viewers, if you would wear these spoons. Okay, and you can have them. I'll ship them to you free. So, yeah, that's a joke. I'm going to put back in my hoops. And end this video on a wonderful note. Also, guys, yes, let me make this announcement. I was doing the giveaway and announcing the winner on the 10th of July. Well, I'm on vacation right now, and I will just be getting back tomorrow. I've now extended it to one more day, so I will be announcing the winner on the 10th. On the Friday, which is, I believe, the 11th. So this Friday, I believe, is the 11th, and that's when we'll be announcing the winner. So, yes, it is a one-day extension. So if you guys, again, want to subscribe to my channel, that's the rules. You have to like on that video. Comment down in the comments below what your favorite color is. It's that easy, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna go put my earrings on and give you guys a beautiful room tour. But as always, guys, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm Samantha Sweets. I love y'all. Bye.